What's up and welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a test drive in a 1984 Monte Carlo SS. This car here has a 5.0 under the hood. Be checking it out, going over any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. Also have financing and shipping options. Just jump on that website and check all that out. You can also see all of our inventory up to date every Monday, and we'll list new cars on there. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every day. You can also hit the notification bell and it'll alert you. That way you can be one of the first people to see these cars for sale. I tell you what though, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, checking out the interior now. Kind of looking around in here. It's in pretty good shape. Tell you what, go ahead and place your bets. A little game we like to play here. You think that horn works? We'll try everything else first to come back to that. Windshield wipers do work. You got a tilt column on this one. Coming up and down. Show you the mileage. We'll get on up in there. So the mileage is coming back as. Engine temperature has not come up yet. Oil pressure's around 35. And we do have gas. Tach is working. Radio.
Our low drop.
AC compressor. Nope. But we do have heat. Ready for that horn? It's working. But how does she drive? I don't know. Let's take her down the road and find out. Okay guys, we're gonna take this car down the road. Anything I see that's wrong with it, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Okay. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Car's going straight down the road. A little bit of slack in the steering. About that much. See how it's doing that? It's turning there. It's turning there. See if the kickdown's hooked up. And it is. Testing these brakes out here. Brakes are stopping fast. Suspension on this car feels great. It's nice and smooth. Turn signals. The left one's not popping up on the dash, but the right one is. I don't hear the left turn signal clicking. I think it's going to be in the switch there where it's not activating it on the left side. All right, coming on up to this parking lot here. I'm gonna do some undercarriage shots, get some outside shots. Kind of let you get the experience standing outside the car and watching it drive by. How about that? Let's try this out. All right, heading on back to the car lot now. So I notice engine temperatures are right around 180. Tell you what, I can hear the speedo cable vibrating on this one as well. In the column there. I don't think that's a speedo cable. Something rubbing up against the column making that noise. You hear it? Huh. The brakes are very touchy too. They work great. If that'd help at all. Got a nice smooth ride. Wonder if this thing works. It's not hooked up no more. We're coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. Not gonna notice it at all in this car. It's nice and smooth. I'll point it out though, it's right here. Heading right past the lot real quick. Pulling back through Brian's Motorsports parking lot. These guys do a great job on interior work. They have a large selection of wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. They build custom consoles. He does the remote start stuff. I mean, pretty much anything automotive you could think of. These are your guys to check out. A lot of people will buy a car like this or any car up there off the lot, and they'll come down here and get wheels put on it. I've seen custom stereos built from this guy and everything. He's worth checking out. Brian's Motorsports. You can check him out on Instagram, Facebook, or just go to briansmotorsports.com. Oh, he wants me to do a smoky tire burnout. I don't know, man. That's that peer pressure.
Wait till he gets out here. He'll tell you how to do it.
Oh, I'll come back and video it. They always do all their personal rides up. Fix them up, make them really fast down here, and I'll look down and the whole entire road's just smoke barreling out of their parking lot where they're doing donuts. Just playing, I mean, if you build it, why not play with it, I guess. But we're heading back to the lot now. Let's see, we got a transport company sitting out front. That's a good point. There's an enclosed trailer right here. And they picked up that blower Camaro. It's actually been sold pretty much all week. Well, since I posted the video, it's sold. Same with the Cornet. But they're waiting on shipment to arrive to pick them up. And the guy got the Camaro today. Okay, we've made it back to the lot. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed the test drive. If you did, hit that share button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Thanks again. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Check out maplemotors.com. That way you can see financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We'll do our best to keep in contact. Make sure to give us a call, 615-822-4444. And I do have financing available for all these cars. We update that website every Monday, so be sure to check that. And I think I'm gonna grab one more and go ahead and make another test drive today. Let's go ahead and do this. I'll see y'all later.